gamer, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do two VRs for two super lovely ladies. First, I'm going to start with Corn. Her channel name is Cornflower Crafts, guys. Corn is having a giveaway, a time-themed giveaway. She loves to create journals and she is absolutely amazing at them. So you guys will want to see the video. I've linked it down below so that you could get on in with this giveaway. It's very simple. You have to be a subscriber and then 18 years or older, visible subscriber. You need to give that video a thumbs up and you also need to comment in the video what new craft you're gonna try in 2021. And she wants you to also do a VR if you have a channel that has content. If you make videos, she wants you to get on your channel, do a VR. That's what we do in this crafty community. We try and spread the love and get inspired by one another. So very simple rules, you guys, and the winner will be chosen, it says, in 2 weeks. So that's about the 18th or the 20th, something around that time. So I will link her video so you could see all the specifications. So that is my VR for Corn, channel name Cornflower Crafts. Check her out, guys. And the next VR is for Tammy. Her channel name is My World in OKC. We've done collabs and things together. She had a design team that she had me participate on, and I did a bunch of little projects. Super fun. I hope you guys know Tammy, and if not, go and check her out. She is giving away a sticker book, and what she's asking for is a card for her birthday, and I'm just looking here. The VR will get you 3 points, the card will get 2 points. You need to say, enter me on her video, and it closes on the 17th, and the drawing's on the 21st. And you must be a subscriber, and you must be 18. So, Tammy's video, My World's in OKC, will be linked down below, guys, and I hope you have a chance to check these ladies out, and if possible, get in on their giveaways. That is it, guys. Those were my two VRs for two super sweet ladies. Their info is down below, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below. I always read all you guys' comments, and hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.